Hello friends. Right now, as you're watching this video, there are 5 bills sitting in mailboxes and bank accounts all across America. Bills that seniors are paying every single month that they are legally not required to pay. Not because they did anything wrong, not because they don't qualify for help, simply because nobody told them the programs exist. And I want to be specific about who I'm talking about. If you were born before 1965, meaning you are 61 years old or older right now, there is a very strong chance that at least one of the 5 bills I'm about to cover applies directly to your situation. We're not talking about small amounts. We're talking about bills that could be saving you anywhere from $200 a year to several $1,000s a year. Every year that goes by without claiming these programs is money that is gone permanently. It does not come back. Stay with me until the end of this video, because number 5, for anyone who owns their home, could be the biggest of all. And if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification. The rules around these programs change every single year. Income limits shift. New programs open, deadlines come and go. I cover all of it in plain English so you always know what you're entitled to before it's too late. Let's get into it. Bill number 1, the $202.90 Medicare Part B premium. Every single month, that amount is pulled directly out of your Social Security check before you ever see it. Most seniors just accept it. They see the smaller deposit, they assume that's just how it works, and they never question it. What they don't know is this. There is a set of federal programs called Medicare Savings Programs, and depending on your income level, one of these programs will pay that entire $202.90 premium for you every single month, completely covered by the government. Let me give you the exact numbers for 2026. The most comprehensive program is called QMB, Qualified Medicare Beneficiary. And this one doesn't just eliminate the Part B premium, it covers your deductibles, your co-payments, your coinsurance, basically every out-of-pocket cost Medicare would normally charge you, gone, covered on your behalf. To qualify for QMB in 2026 as a single person, your monthly income needs to be under $1,350. For a married couple, under $1,824 per month. If your income is a little higher than that, up to $1,616 a month, as a single person, or $2,184 as a couple, there's a program called SLMB, the Specified Low-Income Medicare Beneficiary Program. SLMB eliminates that $202.90 Part B premium completely. And if your income is up to $1,816 as a single person, or $2,455 as a couple, there's a third program called QI, Qualifying Individual, that also eliminates the Part B premium entirely. Here's something most people don't know about these programs. If you qualify for any of them, QMB, SLMB, or QI, you automatically get enrolled in extra help for prescription drugs. No second application. It just happens. Here's why this matters. The Part B premium alone is $2,434.80 per year. For a married couple, both paying it, that's $4,869.60 every single year. That's money that could stay in your bank account. But none of this happens automatically. Nobody enrolls you. The government does not reach out when you become eligible. You have to apply yourself. To apply, call 1-800-MEDICARE. That's 1-800-633-4227, or go to Medicare.gov and find your state's Medicaid office. That is where the application is processed. One phone call. That's all it takes to find out if you qualify. Bill number 2. Prescription drug costs. A lot of people think, I've got Part D, I'm covered, I'm fine. Covered and free are two completely different things. There is a federal program called Extra Help, sometimes called the Low-Income Subsidy, and if you qualify for it, your prescription situation looks completely different from what most seniors are experiencing. No Part D premium, no annual deductible. And the absolute maximum you would ever pay per prescription in 2026 is $4.90 for a generic drug, or $12.15 for a brand-name drug. That's the ceiling. Now compare that to what people without this program are paying. $50 a month for one medication, $80, sometimes over $100 a month for a single prescription, and many seniors are managing 5, 6, 7 different medications. The income cutoff for Extra Help in 2026 is about $23,940 per year for a single person. That's roughly $2,000 per month. For a married couple, it's around $32,260 per year. Here is the shortcut that almost nobody knows. If you already got approved for any of the Medicare savings programs I just described, QMB, SLMB, or QI, you are automatically enrolled in Extra Help. You do not need to apply separately. If you haven't done either yet, apply directly through Social Security. Go to ssa.gov or call 1-800-772-1213 and ask about Extra Help. Think about what this means in real dollars. If you are currently spending just $80 a month on prescriptions, and a lot of seniors spend much more than that, that is $960 per year. With Extra Help, that same spending drops to almost nothing. Over 5 years of retirement, that is close to $5,000 that stays in your pocket instead of going to a pharmacy. Bill number 3. Heating and cooling bills. I want to give you some numbers that explain why this one matters so much right now in 2026. Electricity prices across the country are up over 12% compared to last year. Home heating costs are up nearly 9%. For anyone living on a fixed income, on Social Security, on a pension, that is not just uncomfortable. That is a real financial hit every single month, and it doesn't stop. What most people don't know is that there is a federal program called LIHEAP, the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program. And here is how LIHEAP works. It does not send you a coupon. It does not give you a percentage discount off your bill. It makes an actual payment directly to your gas company or your electric company on your behalf. The income limit for LIHEAP in 2026 for a single-person household is approximately $2,235 per month. For a two-person household, it's around $2,920 per month. Many states use these figures or set their own limits that are sometimes even more generous. And here is the part that specifically matters for seniors. If you are 60 years old or older, most states give you priority access. You can apply a full month before the general public. And that matters because LIHEAP funding is first come, first served. Once the money for the year runs out, it is gone until the next funding cycle. There is also a connected program called the Weatherization Assistance Program, WAP. This program sends someone directly to your home to insulate it, seal drafts, and repair or replace heating and cooling equipment. All at no cost to you, not a loan, not a reimbursement, free, and it permanently lowers your energy bills going forward. To find your local LIHEAP office, dial 211. That is the National Social Services line. They will connect you directly to the office in your area. One call, that could be hundreds of dollars back in your pocket every single year. Bill number 4. And this one catches a lot of people completely off guard. It is called IRMA, Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. Here is what's happening. If your income was above $106,000 as a single filer in a prior year, Medicare does not charge you the standard Part B rate. They charge you a surcharge on top of it, ranging from an extra $74 a month all the way up to $443 a month, added automatically to your Part B cost and deducted straight from your Social Security check. A lot of seniors see a smaller deposit 1 month and just assume something changed. They don't realize they're being charged an extra $200, $300, or $400 every single month. But here is what makes this particularly unfair for retirees. Medicare uses your tax return from 2 years ago to calculate this surcharge. So if you retired last year, or if you sold a piece of property, or if you did a Roth IRA conversion, or if you had any kind of one-time event that temporarily pushed your income up, you could be paying a massive surcharge right now based on money you no longer have and no longer earn. And the fix that almost nobody uses. You can appeal it. There is a specific form called SSA 44. It exists exactly for this situation, for people who've gone through a life-changing event like retirement, loss of income, death of a spouse, or a significant reduction in earnings. You file the SSA 44, you show what your income actually looks like now, and the surcharge gets reduced or completely eliminated. People are getting $200, $300, even $400 a month back by doing this one thing. You can download Form SSA 44 directly at ssa.gov. Just type SSA 44 in the search box. Or you can pick it up in person at any Social Security office. If you are currently paying more than $202.90 a month for Medicare Part B, I want you to find out exactly why right now. Because the difference between the standard rate and the surcharge is real money that you may be able to get back starting next month. Bill number 5. And for homeowners, this is the one that can make the biggest single difference. Property taxes. I want you to think about this question honestly. In the last 5 years, has your county government ever sent you a letter explaining your rights as a senior homeowner around property taxes? For almost everyone watching this, that letter never came. And yet here is what is true in 2026. Every single state in the United States has programs available for senior homeowners, senior property tax exemptions, senior assessment freezes, circuit breaker credits, programs that can reduce the taxable value of your home, cap your bill so it cannot keep climbing year after year, or in some cases wipe out a portion of your property tax bill entirely. Let me give you some real numbers. According to a 2026 analysis of senior property tax programs, the typical annual savings from a senior exemption ranges from $1,200 to $4,800 per year, depending on your state, your county, and the value of your home. Over 20 years of retirement, that is $24,000 to $96,000 that stays in your household. But here is the thing that almost nobody tells you. According to AARP, only about 8% of the more than 9 million seniors who are eligible for property tax relief actually apply for it. 8%. That means more than 8 million seniors right now are legally entitled to a property tax reduction and are not receiving it, simply because nobody told them to apply. The county assessor does not reach out when you turn 65. The state does not automatically enroll you. The exemption does not apply itself. You have to know to ask. How to find your exemption right now, today. Open your search engine and type your county name followed by the words Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026. Or call your county assessor's office directly and ask one simple question. What senior property tax programs are available for homeowners in my area? One phone call, one application, and those savings follow you for as long as you own that home. Let's bring all 5 together. Bill number 1. The $202.90 Medicare Part B Premium. The Medicare Savings Programs, QMB, SLMB, and QI, can eliminate it completely based on your income. Apply through your state Medicaid office or call 1-800-MEDICARE. Bill number 2, Prescription Drug Costs. The Extra Help Program brings your per-prescription costs down to almost nothing. Apply at ssa.gov or call 1-800-772-1213. If you already got a Medicare Savings Program, you're already enrolled. Bill number 3, Heating and Cooling Bills. LIHIAP makes direct payments to your utility company on your behalf. Seniors 60 and older get priority access. Dial 211 to find your local office. Bill number 4, the EARMA surcharge. If you're paying more than the standard Medicare Part B rate due to past income, file Form SSA 44 to appeal it. Download it free at ssa.gov. Bill number 5, property taxes. Every state has senior exemptions that most eligible homeowners never apply for. Search your county name and Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026, or call your county assessor's office and ask. None of these programs come looking for you. They never will. The only thing standing between you and this money is knowing they exist and taking one step to claim them. Now you know they exist. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it helps this information reach more seniors who need it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with someone you know who's on Medicare or Social Security, a parent, a neighbor, a friend. One conversation can change someone's financial situation for years. I'll see you in the next one.